In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we're going to walk through how to set up course bundles and upsells automatically in just a few steps. If you're looking to save time and increase your revenue by automating these features, you're in the right place. First, let's talk about course bundles. Bundling your courses allows you to group multiple courses together at a discounted price, increasing the value for your customers while boosting your sales. To set up course bundles automatically, you'll need to use a software that supports this feature. The software we'll be using in this tutorial makes it super simple. Start by selecting the courses you want to include in your bundle. You can either choose individual courses or create categories based on topics. Next, set your discount. A typical approach is offering 10 to 30% off the total price when students purchase the bundle, but this depends on what you're comfortable with. Once your bundle is set up, it's time to configure the upsell. Upsells are a great way to increase your average order value, and automating the process ensures that you don't leave money on the table. With our software, you can trigger upsell offers once a customer adds a bundle to their cart. For example, after they choose your course bundle, you can offer them an advanced course or additional learning materials at a special price. To set up the upsell, go to the settings in the software, select the upsell option, and choose which product you want to offer. You can set it to appear after checkout, ensuring a smooth process for your customers without interrupting their experience. Now here's the key part. Automating these two elements, the course bundles and upsells, will save you a ton of time and increase your sales without any extra effort. Once set up, everything runs on autopilot. So, to recap, create your course bundle by selecting the courses and applying a discount. Then set up the upsell in the software to automatically offer additional products once the bundle is added to the cart. This is the kind of automation that allows you to scale your course business efficiently and effectively. And if you want to follow along with this tutorial and try out the software we're using, I've got an exclusive free trial just for you in the description below. The key takeaway here is that automating your course bundles and upsells is one of the easiest ways to boost sales without increasing your workload. It's all about setting it up once and letting the software handle the rest. Remember, the exclusive free trial is available for a limited time, so grab it from the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.